This is lesson 6 in our Python scheme of learning. Our key questions for this unit are: what is selection? Why do we need selection in coding? And why does selection mean the code will not follow a sequence? Please find this page in your workbook, and as a starter I want you to place the rings over the differences in code. This will help you to spot the syntax errors. Where do you think they are? You're now going to be set an extended challenge. What I want you to do is to create a quiz with 5 questions. The quiz can be created for any school subject. For your school quiz there are 3 different levels: bronze, silver and gold. Your teacher will tell you which level they want you to start on, but if you want to try a different level then you can try moving to a harder level to complete this. Inside your workbooks you'll find a help slide with some code that will support you through this. And now I want you to complete an evaluation about how well you think your code went.